Welcome back to Responsibly Rowdy. Today I have a tech review unboxing video for you. We have the BleeqUp AI smart glasses. These are similar to the Oakley Meta smart glasses, but these have a few better features and different options. I am mainly after the video camera recording capability and like aspect ratio capabilities, just right off the bat, and that's why I went with the BleeqUp over the Oakley Meta, because the Oakleys are limited in what they're able to do in their performance, especially limited with the camera and the camera's capability. So that was the main reason I went with these. These are the BleeqUp Ranger AI sports glasses. Just the regular orange red color lenses, black frame, and I got them on Amazon. They were on discount for $350. It was like a coupon from $370 or $79. I can't remember, but either way, got the coupons on Amazon. If you're interested, check it out. Unaffiliated, but that's where I found the deal. And these are over $100 less than the Oakley Vanguard glasses as well. So just another reason that you may want to go with these over the Oakley Metas. But anyway, that's enough about these in the box. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So I'm really excited to use these. I've never used a pair of smart glasses before, but they look like they're going to be really, really good. And obviously these are These are primarily used for hands-free video other than the smart AI capabilities. So needless to say, I'm excited to try these out as a hands-free camera for shooting guns. Mainly, that is the main activity that I bought these for, but I'll use them for whatever I can think of. Yeah, I'm excited to see what the AI capability is. Like I said, I've never used a pair of AI smart glasses, so I'm completely new to this. But right off the bat, here's what you get in the box. So you got your carry case. I'm assuming the glasses are inside the carry case. They're in the little travel bag. Get a little quick start guide, and I'm guessing cables and the eyeglass insert piece for those of you that have prescription lenses. That is what this is. So yeah, you've got your charging cable and your eyeglass insert. If you have prescription lenses, you can add those to the BleeqUp glasses, and that is it. Yeah, you get your quick start guide. I'll check that out later. I'm sure I will need that, but these are the glasses. So we'll go ahead and pull these out of the bag here, and they come with lens protected covers as well. So I like that a lot. Not likely to smudge up your lenses right out of the box. Yeah, guys, these things look really cool. Let's get the lens cover off of there. There we go. There we go. Okay. Got these little side covers. Yeah, there we go. Pretty neat. Good packaging, feels nice. I like how everything's wrapped up. Those lenses are protected well. Okay, guys, so we got the BleeqUp Ranger AI glasses. These are sold as a 4-in-1 product. They sell it as a headphone, speaker, video camera, AI platform, and just sunglasses. I believe those are the 4 functions of these glasses. And I'll just kind of give you a few different angles. You can see what they look like. The lenses look really nice, and they're very, very clear. I don't know if there's any polarization. I'll have to look into that. Let's see if it says on the box. I do not know if these are polarized. I can't say they are. They don't remind me of a polarized set of sunglasses, but they very well could be. That I'm not sure about. But moving past that, so construction feels really good. The fit feels really good, and they do not move whatsoever. I mean, they slightly jiggle on your nose, but the bridge, the pad that rests on the bridge of your nose is very, very secure, very grippy. It feels like it is not gonna move. They're very light. I bet you they're very aerodynamic. They feel like they would not even come close to coming off my face. The little arms here that squeeze around your head, they're not very tight, but tight enough that they do not feel like they're going to come loose during sports activities or in the wind if you're moving fast. They feel very good. So I'm really excited to try these out. This was just an unboxing video. This is not a review necessarily. I guess just first thoughts, first impressions review, but I'll have to actually get these out in the field and actually use them, see how they turn out, see if there's any quirks or any problems with them. I've watched a lot of reviews on these things, and everybody seems to lean towards these BleeqUp Ranger AI glasses over the Oakley Vanguards just because of the capabilities and the basic functions that are more useful than what the Oakley Vanguards offer. They just don't have as good of a capability, in my opinion. But you make up your own mind, do your own research, watch your own review videos, and see what will be the best for you. And that is all I've got for you guys here today on this unboxing video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Responsibly Rowdy, and I will see you in the next video.